ki khubor ka Bate CTV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ke SUV ke bapau tam jong ke India minta kalami ha ka jinglong batmai ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment la play ye ki booking but ya ki jing tip bakham bnia one shaka Frank Motors lat ko ringi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khanda hinyo lai
Komisi Benta bantip benia halor ke jing terekam jongki Autonomous District Council kakanhon Grant Center for Bhutan bat ka GNH study hak arf sau tarik unai weng arjar arfulai kilawan bania kendo ya chief executive member jongka KHADC banyo jing tip halor ka jing terekam jongka KHADC kini ginong wat benia nari Bhutan kilaya kendo ya uba penia jing CM usembut lampang jongka KHADC uba Charles Marnger Lemru ya uba Fenton Lagadong bat uba Karnes Soshang kibadai ki executive member Hagane ke jing ya kendo kini ginong wat benia nari Bhutan kilayo jing tip halor ke jing terekam jongka KHADC kabahap hapo ke jing khmi jongka kernit kabah nriu jongka riti sensyar ha kabaya dai bat ka sensyar ka khadar bat kumjuru karukam bat khendo bat siap
I, on behalf of the team from Bhutan, would like to actually thank the state of Meghalaya and especially the Khasi Hills and ADC and also Asian Conference for this opportunity. We're very, very grateful for this opportunity, and we actually came here to take part in a conference that the Asian Conference is conducting. But coming here, we have learned a lot. Visiting different places, we have visited your district office, and we've learned about your judiciary system. We've learned about your the ways of your government, how it functions, how you have connection with your central government, about your culture, and moreover, I think we have found a lot of connection and issues that are actually mutual to both of your state and our country. So we hope that in future you will be able to take good lessons from your organization here and your country, and also we hope that you will learn a lot from our country as well. So I just want to say that let us learn from each other and let us try to implement what is the best part of each country and your state, and maybe one in very near future, in very good future, this region will be one of the best regions around the world, and I pray for that. Thank you so much, and Khadija.
Nakaliang jongka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council benta kasngi ka arpsauterik naiweng arjar arpulai keladon ka jing kendu ka pakerpang hangni po conference hall jongka office hakaba nakaliang gajongi kum ka council ringkat ka jing dan lang jong i deputy chairman i ba Charles Marnger nangta i EM i ba Fenton Joseph Lagadong nangta i ba Karnes Soshang nilayo ban pediang sumbhai kini ki guest ki jongi ki bawan na po Bhutan nakanika Center for Bhutan and GNH Studies ki bapuan ki diki researchers ki ba wat jingtip wat benia bha khamtam habidev ki policy matters te la penbet ya kanika program kejungi ban ya kendu da kejing ya trailang na kaliang kejungi kum council ringkat bat ka Meghalaya Institute of Governance kabala yalam de ba Ivan Swear ringkat ka team kejungi bat kumju na ka Asian Conference te kani kejing kendu kejungi bat ki kalong ba kiwan ban kwa ban tip khambnya shushu bede kijing terekam jongki EDC hangni pot Meghalaya te khamtam ki EDC ki bede kabenta habedip kariti ke dastur nadu kasensyar khadar tenrai ka bingidon ngidon kasensyar sim ngidon kasensyar rat ngidon kasensyar shnong te umtang kata ngilai keren ru habedip ka rukombat khendo bat siap kejungi hapo ki EDC ngilai keren ru habedip ka jing bat kejungi ya ka Klau ke betap apa ka Forest Act ke bengidon nilai keren ru shpang ka jing ya dei ba ka khuit ka suba ka solid waste management nang ta ngilai keren ru habai day but ka yok ka kot jong ki EDCs let's say but QA nang ta kumnu ngi trekam te ngilai keren ru syapang ka bor ka bla ai hangi ling ba ka six schedule habai day ka judiciary power lani kata ka bor bishar ka bangidon nama khasihi nadu bodang dan hang ni basdang bandan hapo ani po ri ke jungi abangi wat jing tip ha wat banyak ha nadu shwa bang ngin yo e ka jing lai lo ka ri India ru ngi sham ling ba ka jing tho ki babun ba u khasihi shim ladan tang e kata kasinchar ri ladan ringkat ba ka bishar te kini ki ya ringkat ting lai yo ban kran shipun ki but kumju basutanat ka long ba ngi akran nya tai bah bede ka khuit ka suba ka ba nakalyang jungi ru ngila wat jing tip ha naka sarkar ka jongki ya ka ba kala don la ka jong sarkar hapo ka jing pe jong sim Bhutan ba ka Bhutan ka long kawe naka jaka ka ba khuit wat ikiniki wa duit ki wa he ki catchment area ki tolong ki khuit ba tingi keli kumno ki atrekam kumno ki penankam ki ain ki ba kumno la si ki program ki jongki bakila ban penek pensa kemarian te ngila yo benya slok markeliang ngila yo jimentoi markeliang lingba kan ke jing kendu ka jungi te bat nakaliang jungkiru ki la sultanat ya ka bandan ni ka meeting ka kerpang ya ka ba kin yo ban tip khambria spangka jinglong kerpang ka jungi kum ka jaben khasi hapo ka jing kedup jongka 6 schedule ka provision ka kerpang haka artikel aspa sopsau ar but shispa nyepusan way bade jongka constitution jongkari India but akan ngejingkran la penpau na way naki nomi khmat menena Bhutan ba hadin mengilayo benikran i penpau ba ngisno kumba kade ka ri laka jong kani ka ri khasi ke jungi lingba ka jingdan ni ka six schedule kamde shu bangi hap apori India ne ha ka ri India te la sengap ka jing batai jungi la so kumba ngidan laka jong ka ri ten rei kata baro kade tang namar bangi yo iki bor ki bakerpang ki jingeda ki bakerpang kat kum ka provision ka constitution jong kari India